Many times document authors need to edit PDF documents that contain more sophisticated layout. Typically, this means going back to edit the original word processing document, assuming you can still find it and that it is up to date with the latest edits, then handing it off to the designer who updates the document using page layout software, and then finally converting it to PDF. With Foxit PhantomPDF, you can skip those steps and edit the content and layout directly in the PDF document, quickly and easily. Let's demonstrate this process by looking at this brochure, which contains 2 titles and 3 columns of text underneath them. My goal is to add text to the second column and then have that text reflow across to the third column, without the reflow text affecting the position of the title. So how do I do this? I first click on the Edit tab and then on the Edit Text button. You can see that PhantomPDF has identified 3 text blocks, with the first and the third block containing the 2 titles. Next, I want to split the text in the third text block to exclude the title. To do this, I click on the Link and Join Text button. Then I click on the text block. And then finally, I click on the Split button, which splits the text block up into the title and the 2 individual paragraphs. Now I want to join together the 2 individual paragraphs in the third column together without including the title. To do this, I click on the 2 text blocks to join. Then I click on the Join button to join them together. The last step is to link the 3 columns together so that text reflows from the first column through the second and onto the third. To do this, I click on the text blocks to link together. Then I click on the Link button. Now I can add a new sentence into the second column, and the text will reflow across to the third column. I can do this by first closing the Join and Link tab, and then click on the Edit Text button. Now I can click on the location where I want to insert my new sentence, and then type in the new text. As you can see, the text has reflowed into the third column without disrupting the location of the title. I can also change the layout of the document. I can increase the margins of a text block by putting the cursor over the square on its edge and then expanding or contracting the size of the text block. I can also move the text block by putting the cursor over the text block's edge and then dragging and dropping it to its new location.